Yeah, hi. This episode is not in any way sponsored by Mattel, but if they want to send us some toys, yeah, that'd be pretty good, eh? Kaya, hello. My name's Alyshia, and this is Toy Teardown, the video series where we take toys you know and love, and we pull them apart, and we try and use some science to explain how they work. We're here, as always, on beautiful Wajak Noongar land, and today we're getting on the pink bandwagon, Toy Teardown style. So today, we're tearing down Barbie! So Barbie's probably the most popular toy of all time.
Hey, what about me?
At the age of 64, she's run for president, she's become the CEO of her own business, short stint as a firewoman, karate black belt. She's even gone to space. She's done everything. Now you might be thinking, we're a YouTube channel that pulls toys apart and uses science to explain how they work. What possible science could be inside Barbie? Well, there's actually certain versions of Barbie which have some really, really cool chemistry, some cool science in them. And this is one of them. It's the color reveal Barbie. Let's open you up. Well, it's in a tube for starters, so I don't know why that is. You can't quite see her. Water reveal, okay. 7 surprises, not 6. So it looks like she needs water. Looks like she does something with hot and cold as well. All right, let's open her up. Oh, I really imagined that happening differently. Ooh, look at all these question marks. The first thing that scientists have to do is ask lots of questions. So, okay, let's get her out. Instructions, okay. I think I'm gonna need them. I need to put it in warm water, which I've got here. All right, I think she's in here. Let's get her out. Oh, hello. Cool. I like the Barbies look different now. You look fun. Oh, it's an interesting outfit she's got on. Let's pull her out of this plastic. I doubt that's her outfit. I don't know, it could be. I like that it was a surprise. Okay, so the picture is dunking her in and giving her a little twirl. Let's do this. Okay. Ah! This is very odd. Oh, she seems to have some kind of purple paint coming off. Yeah. Hey! She now has a pretty cool green, stripy, zigzaggy outfit on. I wonder what that was. Seems to be some kind of water-based kind of paint or something that just comes straight off. Cool, all right. There we go. You feel good now? I'm gonna open up these and see what's inside. Little skirt, halter neck top, I believe. Oh, her shoes, haha. This is fun. Put your skirt on. All right, hold your arms out. Necklace, and put your sunnies on. Oh, they fit quite well. You can tell I play with Barbies a lot, can't you? Cool, all right. Aww. Apparently Barbie's body proportions are so that she couldn't actually have a liver if she was a real human being, but that's okay. She doesn't need one, do you? No. So she's got all of her accessories on, and judging by the instructions, we need some hot water and some cold water, and we're gonna have to take off your sunnies, Barbie. Cold water, hot water. All right, let's get some paper towel. Apparently Barbie, when you put some water on her face, she magically has makeup on. So I don't think you need makeup actually. You're quite, you're beautiful without it, Barbie. You don't need it, but this is what the toy is. So we're gonna do it, okay? at a chilly 6 degrees. Okay. Oh, look at that. Got a little pink eyeshadow on. It kind of completes the look, not gonna lie. Cool, so there's a few things happening here. Let's talk about the science of how this all happened. Firstly, she was coated in some kind of water-based, I think maybe paint. So when we dumped her in the warm water and gave her a little bit of a twirl around, all of that came off and obviously coloured the water purple. And then if we use the cold water on her face, it revealed the colour underneath, which is like a pink eyeshadow, and her lips changed colour as well. It wasn't super easy to see. It was quite a subtle change. So how did that work? So we're looking at heat and cold. So thermo, that means heat, and chromic means colour. So she's actually coated in some kind of thermo-chromatic pigment or paint. Pretty cool. But how can heat change the colour we see? Colour is basically the light we see reflected off an object. That's it. And all objects, all things, are made of molecules. So imagine this is a molecule, right? And when a chemical reaction happens, sometimes these molecules want to stick together. So they bond together like that. These are like the building blocks of everything, right? And as we've bonded these two together in the chemical reaction, it's changed shape. And sometimes when things change shape, it can change the colour reflected back at us as well. So that's exactly what's happening inside Barbie. So there's a thermochromic ink that is on here, and when we heat it up, molecules inside are bonding, changing shape, therefore changing the colour we see reflected into our eyeballs. Pretty cool science. You've probably already seen some thermochromic things before. Have you ever seen a mood ring? It actually changes colour, not so much based on your mood, but based on heat. Or a mug. There's some special mugs which have thermochromic paint on them, and when you put hot water in, it changes colour. We also see it in nature with things like rust. The molecules of metal, when they touch water, they oxidize, and we actually see red. Pretty cool. So this Barbie, as simple as Barbie may seem, she's got some pretty cool science inside. There is one thing missing though. I think she needs a friend. So Barbie, we found you a friend.
Whee!
Your mate Ken's here. Hi Ken.
Hi, Barbie.
Although you're not really Barbie's colour. I think we can change that.
Oh, yeah! Try the breeze! Woo!
That's a bit better. Looking good, Ken.
Thanks.
All right, Ken, let's go.
Let's go. Whee!
We're not artists, but we did get our hands on some thermochromic paint, and we painted our mate Ken. So when we have it on the hot setting, it goes back to its original colour. And then with our cold setting, it turns an epic colour of Barbie pink. I wonder what else we can do with some thermochromic ink. We'll have a think about it, and maybe we'll do another video to see exactly how we can play with this kind of stuff. I had heaps of fun doing this episode, and for someone who's not really that into Barbies, I had tons of fun, and I hope you did too. Make sure you like, subscribe, chuck some comments in the comment section. We'd love to hear what you think about the show. Until next time, bye!